Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got a 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. This one's got a white hull, finished in the dune interior, which is a great contrast. Fantastic looking sport boat here. You've got your 5-year bow to stern warranty on every Sea Ray, as well as a limited lifetime hull warranty. And with seating up to 10 passengers, a 115 horse Mercury Pro XS outboard, and comes with a trailer, single axle with a flip tongue. This is a perfect family boat, get you guys out on the water. It's designed to store right in your garage, equipped for those water sports. You've got your ski pylon there, tons of storage underneath your rear sun lounger, captain's chair, helm radio, fusion radio up there, full waterproof speakers, lots of seating everywhere you look in the boat. Port side sun lounger here as well. And up in the front, you can accommodate up to 3 people with an easily removable pad to step on and off to board if you're sitting at the beach. If you guys have any questions, my cell phone number is listed right there below. Call, text, email anytime. We've got a lot of these in stocks and different variations of colors and options. Happy to help. Give me a call.